Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will solve all the questions of the sample question paper for the subject painting having code number 049 of class 12 CBSE for the academic session 2022 and 23. And we will solve all the questions step by step. So let's start. Section A contains 8 MCQ. The answer for the question A is Mewar. The miniature paintings with the subject matter Baramasa are based on 12 months. Pahari paintings were mainly influenced by Mughal and Rajasthani. In which script is the text on the top of the painting, Falcon on bird rest, written Devanagari? In the compositional arrangement of marriage procession of Darashiko, how are the elegant women placed? Sitting on elephants. In which style the side locks are an important part of woman's beauty? Kishangarh style. The painting Kabir and Raidas has which kind of color scheme? Monochrome. The answer for the question H is palm leaves. Section B contains 5 short answer type questions. In question number 2, you have to write about Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro. There is an alternative question. In this alternative question, you have to write Chand Bibi playing polo, chaugan. In question number 3, you have to write about Krishna with gopis. There is an alternate question in which you have to write about Nand Yashoda and Krishna with kinsman going to Vrindavan. In question number 4, you have to write Triumph of Labour of Devi Prasad Rai Chaudhary. There is an alternate question in which you have to write about the graphic print of walls by Anupam Sood. In question number 5, you have to write about Raja Ravi Verma's Rama vanquishing the pride of ocean. There is an alternate question in which you have to write about Journey's End by Avanindranath Tagore. In question number 6, you have to write about the undeniable love of mother towards the child and the compassion and care felt by the child. That painting is Mother and Child by Jamini Roy. There is an alternate question and you have to write about Mother Teresa by M.F. Hussain. In section C, you have to attempt any 2 questions from the given options. These are all long answer type questions and you have to write it in around 200 words and each question carries 6 marks. In question A, you have to write about Maru Ragini. In question B, you have to write about Krishna lifting Mount Govardhana. In question C, you have to write about the evolution of Bengal School of Art and its role in promoting the spirit of nationalism and the symbolic meaning of our national flag. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.